Oh, the birds are looking for food. Picked up something from here a minute ago. And it flew away. It's simply amazing. They have keen eyes and know exactly where to find food. And when they come back, it means they like it. So I put 2 worms there from the garden. Come on, birds, get them. Okay, I have 2 worms here. Let's see if they will come. There's another one somewhere here. Yes. Come on, in the garden. You can find worms. Yes. Uh-huh. Come. Is that a signal? At long last, I did see my favorite hummingbird. That was so fast. I don't see the food here any longer, so they did come. Wow, the worm is gone, so they did come. What a beauty. This is the fire bush where lots of bees and birds come, so it's growing back. Wow, I got goosebumps after I saw my favorite bird I've been wanting to see ever since. You want to know if it's the real thing? The real thing happened. I did see it. Anyway, peace out right now. I'm too excited.